La di da da yeah. La di da da yeah. Do good, do good. Do good, do good. I rise up this morning with faith. I check my phone, full bar. Before I post, I think no violence, no crime this time. I'm gonna post peace, love and truth, and do away with rubbish posts. I'm showing the world I'm good. Me gonna say no to crime. Do good, no bad. Post good, no bad. So good, no bad. Do good, no bad. Show them the culture, the tradition, beauty, attraction, the tourism. Paradise people, them say hello. Bring back our ancestors' pride. Together we can make a change. Unite all churches and pray. Lead us with one mindset, and God will do the rest. Do good, no bad. Post good, no bad. So good, no bad. Do good, no bad. Do good, no bad. Post good, no bad. So good, no bad. Do good, no bad. Do not be conformed to the standards of this world. Leave all your phones and try to read some books. Facebook is good, depends on how we use. Married in church and receive God's blessings. Read Bible stories to the kids, them right. Respect each other, privacy, the life. Never betray your countrymen, that's right. Let law and order give the fair judgment. Do good today, say la di da. Do good today, say la di da. Do good, do good. Do good, do good. Now everybody let's do good, no bad. Post good, no bad. And so good, no bad. Do good, no bad. Do good, no bad. Post good, no bad. So good, no bad. Do good, no bad.